how to enable or disable Talkback Shortcut on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on accessibility. After that, tap on Talkback. And then in here, tap on Talkback Shortcut. Tap on the toggle button to turn off or switch on the shortcut. When you turn it on, there will be a pop-up. Tap on Allow. And then tap on the left-hand side panel. In here, choose which shortcut that you would like to use. There are 3 available options. Tap accessibility button. That is the button down here in the navigation bar. So if we turn on, that will be added to this shortcut down here. So we got Talkback. And if I switch it off, you can see it will be removed from the accessibility shortcut. Now the other option is press side and volume up buttons. So that is the side and the volume up button. So if I press on both keys, that will bring up the shortcut, which allow me to quickly turn on or turn off Talkback. And the other option is press and hold volume up and volume down buttons for 3 seconds. So I'll press on both of these buttons for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Now if it does not show up, that means you didn't press both buttons at the same time. So we can try it again. So press and hold for 3 seconds, and that will bring up a menu. From here, you can access the Talkback shortcut. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.